I thank all of you for joining me on the telecast and sharing your views on this very important development that has taken place. Meanwhile, let's take a look at what's happening in the political scene in Delhi, where right now we're getting to know that the Anti-Corruption Bureau team has left from Arvind Kejriwal's residence. Aam Aadmi Party has once again reiterated its poaching charge against the BJP. Sanjay Singh of the Aam Aadmi Party has now visited the ACB office to file a complaint. Sanjay Singh has also spoken to the media and told the media that the Aam Aadmi Party has in fact filed a complaint against the ACB. Sanjay Singh has said that he has filed a complaint to the Lieutenant Governor and he is expected to cooperate with the Aam Aadmi Party on this. Shubh Rana on the telecast with me. Shubh, what are the latest details? We're getting to know that Sanjay Singh has filed a complaint against the Anti-Corruption Bureau.
Yes, definitely, because we are tracking this from the time being when ACB has arrived, and I would like to show the visuals over here because the ACB has left from the particular place. This 5 Firozshah Road is the Arvind Kejriwal's residence, and Megha, the ACB have left from here. The Aam Aadmi Party legal team hasn't allowed ACB to come and carry out investigation because they have been saying that ACB didn't carry any legal notice for the investigation. And interestingly, Aam Aadmi Party MP Sanjay Singh says that he have filed case against the ACB saying that this is illegal. This is not the way how to carry a this is not the way how ACB carry out its investigation, and alleging that Bharatiya Janata Party is the most corrupt party. This is what Sanjay Singh has been telling. Although what we are learning at this point of time, Megha, is that a legal notice has been sent to Arvind Kejriwal. Although the investigation cannot be done because the legal team of the Aam Aadmi Party hasn't allowed the members of the ACB to go inside the premises and carry out the investigation. Therefore, they have filed a notice, and Aam Aadmi Party have said that they will reply by the notice and they'll go by the legal process. This is not the right way to carry out investigation. This is what Aam Aadmi Party legal team has been stating out.
Okay.
Therefore, after waiting for more
thanks,
than
I'll keep coming back to you as and when there are further developments in the story. In fact, Sanjay Singh has spoken to the media. Listen into what he said.
पहली बात तो ये है कि भारतीय जनता पार्टी इस देश की सबसे महाभ्रष्ट पार्टी है। भारतीय जनता पार्टी विधायकों को खरीद फरोख्त करने वाली, तोड़फोड़ करने वाली पार्टी है। भारतीय जनता पार्टी सीना ठोक के ऑपरेशन लोटस चलाने वाली पार्टी है। भारतीय जनता पार्टी जिसने महाराष्ट्र की सरकार गिराई, कर्नाटक की सरकार गिराई, मध्य प्रदेश की सरकार गिराई, उत्तराखंड की गिराई, अरुणाचल की गिराई, उनके बारे में आपको सर्टिफिकेट चाहिए कि वो बेईमान नहीं है। एक बेईमान पार्टी है इस देश में भारतीय जनता पार्टी, जो तोड़ तोड़ के विधायकों को, सरकारों को गिराती है। हमने उस पूरे मामले की शिकायत खुद से दी है और जांच की मांग की है। वीरेंद्र सचदेवा कल हमारे आरोपों के बाद घबरा के नौटंकी करने पहुंच गए वहां एलजी के पास। एलजी चिट्ठी लिख रहे हैं एसीबी को, एसीबी पहुंच रही है, यहाँ जा रही है, वहां जा रही है। अरे क्यों? मैं खुद आ गया शिकायत करने।
सर
जांच कराइए इस पूरे मामले की।
आपका बयान
हमने नंबर दिया है मुकेश सहलावत को, जिस फोन नंबर से कॉल आई थी उसकी जांच कराइए। कौन सा वो व्यक्ति है, क्या नाम है उसका?
सर हमने उनसे बात की।
All right, on that note, I slip into a short break. Thanks for watching NewsX.